guys, I think my package is here because I ordered one before. I'm going to go check if it's here. It's here! Oh my god, I'm so excited to open this, and I really love what I ordered. Okay, here, I need scissors. Cut. Oh my god! Okay. I love this thing. So this is how it looks. And there's this there's a calendar and there's a day. And there's every day on there. So yeah. I'm gonna put the day on right now. So it shows the password 21 right there. So you're gonna put 21 in there. So there's a 2 right there. And there's a 1 right here. And you have to point it at this arrow and the other arrow. And then when you're done, you're just gonna push that lever and then you're gonna open it. So you can open that and there's a whiteboard marker in there. And there's a class schedule card in there. And for this button, there's a drawer and you can put erasers or a sharpener inside or something like that. For this button, a whiteboard marker in there. And you also get spaces to put your other pencils beside the whiteboard marker. And then for this button, you can put erasers inside. And you can put a sharpener or anything you want. And then this button has a sharpener. So you can open the top. So you can put take out the scraps of the pencil thing. And yeah, and then you can just push it back down. And yeah, I love this so much, and it's really fun. You can take the whiteboard marker out, and then you can flip your pencil box over, and then you can open up the other side, and then this part is a whiteboard, so you can draw whatever you want. So I really like that there's a whiteboard in here because you can write any of your notes or stuff like that, and you can also draw stuff. And yeah, I really like it. So now you can erase. It's really easy to erase. There's an eraser on the lid of the whiteboard marker. So this is a really helpful pencil box, and I hope you can get one too. And it's only $19. So yeah. I hope you like my pencil box. This is how it looks like again. Okay, like and subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and bye! My nail fell down. Okay, like and subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and bye!